never heard of Nanaimo Bar? If you're a fan of wafer and rich custard and chocolate flavor, well, this is the best dessert for you. We're gonna start by lining an 8x8 or 9x9 pan with parchment paper or lightly greased aluminum foil. Then, we need to measure all the required ingredients. By the way, this recipe is good for 16 servings. For our base layer, we need a half cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 5 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 1 piece of large egg, 1 3/4 cup graham cracker crumbs, 1 cup shredded coconut meat, and half cup of finely chopped almonds. For our middle layer, we will be needing another half cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons of whipping cream, 2 tablespoons custard powder. If you do not have any custard powder, here is the substitute. Add 2 cups of icing sugar, or 1 cup is enough if you do not want your Nanaimo bar to be very sweet. Lastly, for the top layer, there are only 2 ingredients: 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once all ingredients are prepared, it's time for us to cook and assemble the bar. For the base layer, melt the butter on top of the double broiler. Add sugar, and cocoa powder. Add the egg and stir until thickened. Remove from heat. Add finely chopped almonds, shredded coconut meat, and graham wafer crumbs. Press firmly into the pan. This will serve as the base layer of the bar. For the middle layer, using a stand mixer or a hand mixer, cream the butter. Make sure that it is in room temperature, since we will be doing creaming method. Once it starts to lighten in color, add the whipping cream and vanilla custard powder, then mix. Gradually add icing powder. until fluffy. Once done, spread the mixture on top of the Wafer Coconut Crumb Base. For the top layer, melt the semi-sweet chocolate on the double broiler over low heat, then add butter for it to have a silky texture. Remove from heat. Cool for about 20 seconds. Pour over the custard icing, then smooth it out. You can also use the flat spatula to create swirls or design on top of the Nanaimo bars. Once it is 75% hardened, score the bars to trace lines. Return to fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. When the bars are fully hardened, take it out for 10 minutes to warm up for easier slicing. When plating the Nanaimo bars, I will be creating lines on the plate from the remaining chocolate ganache. Place the Nanaimo bar and then placing a scoop of my homemade vanilla ice cream on the side. And done, your Nanaimo bar is ready to be served. Nanaimo bar is a non-baked dessert originated from Canada, which consists of 3 layers: a wafer coconut crumb base, custard icing in the middle, and a layer of chocolate ganache on top.